Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Outcome Memories Discord server. First, I want you to come in the left hand panel, click on Discover. This is if you're in the PC. If you're on the phone, I'll show you how to do that as well. Now, click here on Servers, and you can just search up Outcome Memories, okay? And then you can go ahead and click on this one right here. As you can see, over 119,000 members. And then you just click here on Join, right? As such, or what you could do is just use this link, okay? Discord.com/invite/outcome memories. And then this will prompt you to go ahead and join. It will open it up on the Discord server. You need to choose your display name, okay, if you're not logged in. And if you are, it will launch the Discord app. You can click on Continue on Discord. And here you just need to verify yourself before you can actually begin talking. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.